Alright, we're pulling down the driveway in Paris Mountain right now. Got a call this morning from this lady. She said on Saturday night, a mama and bear and 2 baby bears jumped up on her roof of her pool house and scratched the heck out of it, and I guess ruined it. So we're gonna go check it out. Stand by. And there it is right there.
Yep.
Right
and
there.
They're down here too. They're down, you can see them down here too.
Wow.
See this? They were pacing here. They were trying to get through.
Wow.
They ripped the zip ties, which is, you know, that's hard. Yeah,
Yep.
it's a bear print. It's bear.
Yeah.
It was a bear. And then this is probably where one climbed up, and then she was probably pacing to get, you know, to get him
Trying
to
to
go
get
back
down.
down.
Yep.
Because if I had to escape from my 3rd floor bedroom, I would have to come down off this roof here, and that's the lowest point.
Wow.
Otherwise,
It's
there's
amazing.
no way out.
It's crazy.
It is crazy.
Thanks for watching. Here's some additional pictures from the site. Subscribe!